Hi friends, this is the next part of character setup of our lesson. Hi friends, this is the part 2 of character setup lesson. When you create a complex joint chain, you can use some Maya features intended to simplify your work. For instance, you can navigate in a hierarchy of joints as you create them. You can also use a command to reorient all the joints automatically. Let's learn navigating in joint hierarchy. Make the top view active and press the Y key on keyboard to invoke the joint tool. Make sure the joint tool orientation is set to XYZ. Now you are going to draw the arm joints. Draw 3 joints. In this way, start from the origin, click once, and draw second joint like elbow of arm, and the third joint assuming a wrist. Drag the camera and make an open space, and now draw 2 joints for a thumb like this. Hit enter. At this point you need to correct the proportions between bones and joints. Simply click any joint with MMB. MMB means middle mouse button. First of all, click the wrist joint. Click with left click and then click and drag MMB. This is the time you need to correct the proportions of the bones and joints, because you can see that proportion between thumb joints and between the elbow or arm or shoulder joints is improper. So for this you will have to get move tool. Get the move tool and click any joint which you want to retransform. Simply MMB drag middle mouse button. Now proportion between thumb and arm joints is a little good. For selecting different joints, you can press up arrow key or down arrow key. It puts the selection to your desired joint. As you know that you are drawing the joints for an arm, and this is the time to draw the joints for the fingers and the palm. Simply we need to add some joints for the index finger. Click the wrist joint, then draw the palm joint and 3 joints for the index finger. One is already drawn, second and third. As you know that you can move them later on. With MMB. Add 3 more fingers using the same way.